What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We are headed up into the mountains. It's a beautiful day in Santa Barbara, and we have some new equipment to test out before we go on our big surf trip. So that is the goal. We're up here with Matt. He's got his Subaru, and we're gonna hit some trails. So, shoot. Alright, we made it off-road. Lift off. Cleared for flight. Alright, let's switch to the drone. All right, guys. Well, we have landed. Goes down, kind of setting up stage 2 of the day. We went up to the water tower, got some footage on the new Carver skate. Did some skating on the water tower. You know what I'm talking about, or you soon will. Did a little balance board action, and yeah, just enjoying the mountains. And then this is the big thing, guys. We had a company reach out to us to test out a product. So this thing is super cool. It is a camp stove, and yes, the whole stove is in this tiny little box, which makes it perfect for road trips. It can just fit right in there and take up no space. I mean, it could really fit anywhere and take up no space. It's a barbecue, a fire pit, it's collapsible, it's got a burn tray. I mean, it checks all the boxes. Super cool, super stoked to check this thing out and test it out. We got some burgers and some brats that we're planning on grilling up. All right, guys, let's get into this box and see what this thing looks like. Well, that's cool. It is heavy. All right. So we got, this is the grill. Very cool. Very cool. Take this out. I guess that's to keep it from scratching everything, which I don't really care about. This thing is made. Oh,
yeah, I take it. Litter. Pack in what you pack out, people.
Always tread lightly. Really cool. Looks like a carrying bag.
Oh, that's great.
And super cool company. They said in the emails that they want all the feedback their consumers can offer, because they design around that. Gotta take a quick break. All right, so I have not assembled this before. I really want to see, you know, without any instructions or anything, how simple and obvious is this to set up and take down. So let's give it a shot. Just assuming these kind of go like that. Take 2. No, I'm just kidding. And these, oh, so there's 2 different levels here. This is really well designed. So that just slides into place there. I'm guessing this just slides right into place like that. Pretty easy peasy. Oh. Let's see. Oh, okay, yeah. I was going in these holes. That's why it's not lining up. Okay, so you don't have to do them both at the same time. Yeah. Super cool. I'm guessing the little grill goes down there. Yep. So this piece fits right in the bottom there. Catch the big. Oh wow, that's really cool. And these you can set where you want to set. Put them right here and right here. Where's 3 of them? So I don't know if you need all three, but I guess if you're cooking a really big steak or something really heavy, then that works. And that fits perfectly right in there. Very nice. So without even having a clue how to put it together, I mean, common sense, but that didn't take long. And that thing is bitching. Super, super cool. So that's obviously barbecue version. You just take this top off to have a fire pit, and you can widen it. And the other settings here, where it would be wider, and that would be the fire pit setting. So yeah, we're gonna collect some fire materials and cook up some dinner.
Look at that ingenuity. Nice.
Pretty awesome.
This is our custom windshield photography edition.
Just taking some extra precautions.
Always.
All right, let's throw some burgers on this thing. And yeah, I got a decent little fire going. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Side through holes for the wood.
This is super cool. So they say that they intentionally left the two sides with plenty of airflow for ventilation. And look at that, you can also just slide your little mini logs right up in there. I dig it. And we are cooking. Thing works like a charm. Thank you, Lifedoo. All right, guys, starting to get dark, but the burgers are done. You know, we just put the brats and the cheese right on there, some barbecue sauce, some mustard. The stove is down to just coals now. Yeah, the tray at the bottom, super convenient. Keeps whatever embers do fall through just kind of down there and off the grass or whatever you kind of put the stove on. Very well designed. I think if I was going to change anything, I would have the bottom grill that catches the embers just more meshy style, so it would keep more of them down there, less chances of making a fire that way. I think that would be really cool. But overall, absolutely love it, and I can't wait to use it more. Lifedoo. Shoo.